Welcome to today's episode on understanding Pixellab. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to get fonts into your Pixellab, and we'll be designing a very simple flyer. So, we'll be designing our first flyer today. So, stay tuned as we go. Now, to download your fonts, you can get fonts on this website. I'll be dropping the link in the comments. Now we can go to thefonts.com. You can get fonts here for free. As you can see, there are different variations of fonts. Now let me get this one. Click on download. Get these two. Let me also get. Let us unzip them. You open your Onra. I dropped the link to this app in my previous video. You can go back. So you go to your downloads. So now that we are done unzipping them, we'll go back to our Pixellab. Now to import a font, you have to click on your text. Then after clicking on it, go to your text symbol. Now you go to the place that is written font. Click on my font. Click on this second file manager. Don't click on this first one, the second one. Click on it. Then you go to your download folder. Then this is where I got all my fonts. So these are the fonts you downloaded. Click on Akira Expanded. Add editor. You see that it has been added. Click on it again till you add everything. Alright, so we are done importing them. Now we can select our font. As you can see, it's perfect. So I'll be deleting this now. Let's create a simple petty flyer design. First of all, what we're going to do is we'll bring in our shape. Create a shape. Then select a color. With our color to select a color, I'll be using a blue background. Save it. So save it. Click on this place and lock it up. So you can not mistakenly move it around. As you can see now, let us use our grid lines. Like I said, these are important things you need to understand when working on Pixellab. You have to understand that the edges of your design, there has to be space in case it is going to be printed. There has to be space here, this way. So first of all, we import our picture. You can remove a background from an image using photo room. I also dropped the link to the app my last video, so you can go back and check it out. I'll be using this picture, so let's go. It's a very simple design. So imported it. This video was edited by me, but I'll be dropping an editing tutorial on my next video. So add our text. I just want to make it as a reference, not that I'm actually gonna spend much time here. So let us set our text. Birthday. Now you select your font you want to use. Let me use this coding bleed. I saw this and I want to try it out. Wow, can select your color here and also work with gradient. Let me use this. I want to make some changes to the pictures, so I want to crop it. Make it more bold. Okay, let's work with something else here. Let me bring in something that so if you're in my channel, I will also be dropping the link in the comments. I will be sharing these resources that I use for this design in my channel. I'll share it there so you can get them. Now this blue background doesn't match this kind of design, so we bring in our shape again, and or you can just let me not use shape anymore. Select the background, then apply the color. You come here, choose on color, toggle it on, then select the color you want to use. You can use your color picker tool to navigate around. I want to select the color that is in the shirt. Well, let me see if I can work with this red inside of this shirt. Why is he not picking it now? Let me see if it will work out. Okay, I guess it's perfect. So it's just for reference purposes. Now we bring this text to the front. I will have to change this text color because of the background. Let me work on it. Make this a little bit light. Let me see how it is. Okay. Let me bring in my happy. When you are using a font that is a signature font, you have to give space so it can have space to breathe, or else it will be shortened. So this. Now I will add a background to the background of this picture. So let me add a background. Choose a color. No, I don't want the color to be this anymore. Oh no, yep, this. Let me just use it. I don't want this video to be too long. Let it just be for reference purposes alone. So there's no need spending too much time here. Maybe this video to be too long, just for reference purposes. So we've added our happy birthday. Now let us add our dates. You can add the dates any way you want. It doesn't have a special way that this is a recommended way that you must add your date. You can just make your date this way. Let me see, today's date is 11th, right? But this guy's birthday is tomorrow, so let me just, I'll send it to him actually after this class. So yeah, you can make your date anyway. There is no recommended way to actually do this. So I'll select my font The lemon milk. No. Let me search for that Nexa we downloaded. You see, this Nexa font is a very good font. It's one of my favorite fonts that I use. Yeah, my favorite. Let me use this Nexa bold. Reduce the size. Now just spread it around here. Then if you want to actually make your text to be spread, to make it wider, to be stretchy and all that, this is how I do it. Come to this spacing. This is spacing tool for the wideness. Why this is a spacing tool for the length. Let's say there is much more text and there is a text that I will teach you on my next class. Let me not touch that yet. So let's focus on what we are doing here. So you can make your date to be this way, shift it up, see, and we are done. Okay, his name. Now let me just write his name and position it somewhere. His name is Joshua Biose. Yeah. Now select your font. My favorite is still what I'm gonna use. So next you should ban this font from my hand. You can change the color of this actually to be black, because black and white are principal colors in designs. So I'll just place this here. I don't want it to be too visible, so just for reference purposes, we are done. Then if you also want to add some touch, you can maybe search for shining glisters, or you can come here, this box here, click on your sticker. There are different stickers here. There are different things you can actually add to make it kind of beautiful. There are different elements here, but I don't want to use any of this. I'm looking for a lens flare. There's a lens flare here actually. There's a lens flare in this Pixellab. It's not enough Pixellab actually, but on this Pixellab there's a lens flare. This particular one. So these are the lens flare. I don't think it will make sense. Nah. It's not gonna make sense. So let me look for something I can add at the edge. I'm not getting anything here. Let me pick this. Does it make sense? No, it's not looking good. I guess that's all. Okay. What is this? That's nonsense. I can't work with that. Let me check here as well and see if I can get something. In my next video, I will be taking you guys through the proper means of getting resources on Pinterest. And also I will be teaching on how to use photo room to remove background, and also how to manipulate backgrounds on Pixellab. So stay tuned for it. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so when I post a new video you also be notified about it. So that's the importance of that notification bell. Okay, so yeah, let me use this now. I will copy it and also place it here. It's a simple design, you understand? So this is it. We are done. Now we save as project, enter the name you want to use. It can be birthday flyer or birthday project. I have a birthday project before, so let me put today's date, 11th. What's happening now? Click OK, then save to image. make sure you are saving it ultra. Don't just leave it in JPEG, and the dimension should be ultra. Click save. That's all. Now let us go over to our Snapseed. This is how to use Snapseed for making your picture pop, or your designs pop out, actually, not your picture. So this is it. What you will do is that you click on this pen icon here. Click on this pen icon, click on details, add structure, make sure the structure is much. Click on this icon, click on your sharpening, you sharpen the image. So this is it. This is the before, this is the after, so you can see the difference now. Now click on save, click on save, and we are done. So that's it for today.